Yo, what is going on? You're checking out QGenHQ. My name is Chris and welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the MIKIT MK72. These are some really unique looking keyboards, and yes, this is the second of the MIKIT giveaways. So 2 of you lucky subscribers out there will have a chance at winning 2 of these MK72s. That is 2 winners in total. So be sure to stay tuned to the end of the video to figure out how to enter, and good luck. So with all that being said, let's check this out. This is the MIKIT MK72. MIKIT really has some clean and simple packaging. The packaging is reminiscent of an Apple product. I feel like I'm opening up a brand new MacBook or iPad. Now we have a 2-layer package design here, the top layer holding our keycaps. These are a double-shot PBT keycap, and depending on which color option keyboard case that you choose, you'll get the corresponding matching color caps as well. Believe it or not, you have the option to not include keycaps at checkout, but I don't know why you would do that, as they're free with your purchase. So just make sure to click that box opting that you want them included. Beneath the keycaps, we have the MK72 keyboard, your USB-C cable, some Mac Command keycaps, a double-sided cap and switch puller, as well as your user manual and stickers. Now, this MK72 kits are currently sold in a bunch of different colorways. Today I have the Amethyst and the Obsidian. The cases are made of a full ABS plastic and they have a smoky tinted color to them. They're not entirely see-through, but you can see the internals if you glance at the right angle. Now, first things first, the shape of this keyboard is really familiar looking. I'm getting a throwback to my Nintendo Game Boy Advance days. The whole shape really gives off that retro vibe, and I am really digging this, especially with this Amethyst colorway. It reminds me of that old school Atomic Purple N64 controller. Do you guys remember that? The thing was sold out like forever. Now we have a 70% keyboard layout with 72 keys in total, and the case comes in at 328mm long by 141mm wide and 42mm high on the back end, and the board weighs approximately 1.6 pounds. This keyboard comes equipped with a 3000 mAh battery. It has tri-mode connection, meaning that you can use this keyboard wired, wireless, or in Bluetooth mode, and seamlessly swap between Windows or Mac OS. On the underside of this keyboard is where you're going to find your 2.4 wireless receiver tucked away when not in use, and we just have 4 rubber feet for grip, as well as your wireless mode button on and off. Now, since this keyboard is full hot swap, you may already own some switches of your own. If that's the case, you could pick this kit up for as low as $99 bone stock. But MIKIT does have some great switch options available. I'm going to be pairing the Amethyst board here today with TTC Gold Red Pros. These are a great linear switch. They actuate around 50 grams, and I love using reds when it comes to gaming. When it comes to the Obsidian board, I'm going to be throwing in some TTC Gold Brown switches. These are a tactile switch that actuate around 55 grams, and they have a bit of a louder sound feedback to them. Both of these switches sit in a clear polycarbonate, so we'll really get that RGB shine through with no issues. The Obsidian keycap set matches perfectly. We have the all-black keycap here with white legends, a much more minimal looking keyboard, while the Amethyst set adds more vibrancy with its 2-tone clear cap and easy-to-read legends on the side, and both of these keyboards come with RGB backlighting. It shines really nice with the clear caps on the Amethyst set, but it is less prominent on the Obsidian set, likely due to the all-black plate. Now, despite this, the Obsidian set still looks clean and sleek, and I personally would not rock RGB on that board anyway. Now, the keyboards have all your basic RGB functions and color patterns with 3 light indicators on your left-hand side. Now, that helps navigate you through the keyboard, tells you what mode you're in, blue for Bluetooth, pink for wireless, etc. Now, currently we have no software available for these keyboards, but you can find all the functionality controls in the included manual. The actuation of both switches is quite similar, although I personally prefer linear switches over tactile ones. However, when it comes to the sound feedback, I do think these keyboards could benefit from some added foam to reduce the hollow feeling while typing. This may be due to the shape of the case, which has a fair amount of empty space behind the PCB. Despite this, typing on the keyboard was very comfortable for me. likely due to that slight angle of the case, and I don't think this keyboard needs any feet for height adjustment. Now, the caps that are provided by MIKIT are fantastic, but I wanted to elevate the retro vibes of this amethyst colored keyboard even further. So I rummaged through my collection of keyboard accessories, and I found an old set of keycaps that had never found the right home until now. While these keycaps aren't sold by MIKIT, if I can find them, I will provide a link if you're interested in getting a pair for yourself. These Super NES style keycaps complement the shape of this Game Boy Advance inspired keyboard perfectly. Now, I didn't have the extra shift key, so I threw back on some of the black clear caps, and I think this looks really, really cool. Like, I want to just grab my Game Boy now and just vibe. This is overall a really cool shape to a keyboard case, and I cannot wait to see what other modifications people do to these keyboards. If you guys want to grab one of these MK72s, all links are in the video description, and like always, you can save yourself some extra cash by using coupon code QGenHQ at checkout. So that was my take on the MK72. What do you guys out there think of this keyboard? So now let's go ahead and give away 2 of these to 2 of you lucky subscribers out there. Just like my last video, the first way to enter is going to be down below in the video description. Is going to be a GLEAM link. Go ahead and click that and follow the instructions. And the second way to enter is going to be down below in the comment section. All you have to do is let me know what your favorite Nintendo game was of all time and why. It could be anything from the original Nintendo all the way to the brand new Nintendo Switch. And now the rules are going to be really easy as well. 1, I need you to be obviously a subscriber. I need you to be 18 years of age or older to enter. And 3, like the video. That's basically it. Really simple. Now, there'll be no money exchange between me, MIKIT, you, anybody, nobody. I don't want any money from you guys at all, so watch out for bots down below in the comment section. I don't use Telegram. I'm not going to be hitting you up asking for any money, nothing like that. I have my own way of verifying on who the winners are going to be. Trust me on this. I will be the only one to contact you, and I don't want any money, all right? Now, the winners will be able to choose whichever keyboards they want, whichever switches are available, and whatever colorway they want to, which is really cool. MIKIT's even going to cover all of the shipping costs. So that's it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Honestly, if you're new here, obviously subscribe, share it with a friend, and good luck to all of you out there trying to win some of these keyboards. And I have plenty more MIKIT giveaways coming up here in the very near future, so keep an eye out for that. All right, guys, most importantly, you all stay safe out there. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.